If you'd like to promote lenso.ai and earn a commission, keep watching. I'll explain how to create an affiliate account and start earning with lenso.ai. First, set up an account on lenso.ai. To do that, visit the homepage and register as you normally would. If you already have an account, great. Just use the one you have. Once registered, open your user panel and click on the Affiliate tab. You'll see a short form that helps lenso.ai determine whether your page is suitable for promotion. Don't worry. As long as your website doesn't contain harmful content, your application will likely be approved. Now fill in the details. In the first field, provide your website, social media profile, YouTube channel, or any other platform you use for promotion. In the second field, describe how you plan to promote lenso.ai. It could be a simple link in a video description, a blog post, or anything else that fits your style. There are no limits to your creativity. Next, tell us what country you're from, accept the terms of service, and click Send. That's it. You should receive a decision within the next business day. We'll inform you via email whether your account was approved. Once approved, your affiliate panel will look like this. Just copy your unique link and share it. You'll earn a commission from every purchase made through that link. After a purchase is made, you'll be able to see the date and your earnings directly in the panel. What about payouts? To request a payout, simply email us. We'll ask you to send an invoice. Don't worry, you can easily generate one using PayPal, Wise, or similar services. Links to invoice generators are available in the video description. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to contact us at contact@lenso.ai. Thanks for watching.